want more participants to send the answers. Prince Raj, Ayush Kumar, प्रिंस राज आयुष कुमार ने लिखा है। अमन कुमार का भी आंसर सही है। और so I've been living in this house since 1985. I shall return. फोर्थ का आंसर लिख के भेजो। These are just one word answers. You can easily write and send it to me. Be active. रोनित प्रताप सही आंसर है। चलो रोनित। सारिका also your answer is correct. Sarika also answer correct. I shall return dash a month. Send your answers quickly. You have to just type a few words, prepositions, small. किसका बाई लिखते हो आयुष? कौन सा आंसर नंबर का? 4 का। अच्छा 4। हाँ नंबर भी लिखोगे तब पता। प्रिंस राज योर आंसर इज करेक्ट। सारिका आंसर इज करेक्ट। Prince Raj, Sarika, Ronit Pratap also your answer is correct. Ronit Pratap, your answer is correct. Okay. So I shall return in a month. Okay. Then the Ramayana is lying 5th. ओ आयुष कुमार 9, 10 सब भेज दियो। अच्छा ठीक है। 5th का आंसर बताओ। Prince Raj, yes, answer is correct. Himanshu also answer is correct. Tushar answer is correct. Tushar, Himanshu, Prince Raj, Ronit Pratap also answer is correct on the table. Yes, we shall finish this work. Send your answers. We shall finish this work, 6th one. Why only a few students are answering? और लोग भी आंसर करो। Hello. Others also send your answers in chat. Huh? Ronit Pratap answer correct. Prince Raj answer correct. Sarika नहीं. Sarika, your answer is not correct. Sarika. बाय होगा एट नहीं। यहाँ बाय मतलब 5 बजे तक। यस फिनिश दिस वर्क बाय 5 PM. ओके सेंड मी द लेटर्स डैश दिस एड्रेस। 7th का आंसर भेजो सब। हेलो सेंड द आंसर्स ऑफ द 7th. Send me letters on this address. On होना चाहिए। On. You should listen. 8th. Yes, 7th is on. 8th. 8th का बताओ। हेलो what is the answer of the 8th? 8th ka you should listen to. Yes, Ayush, your answer is correct. Ayush. Prince Raj का भी आंसर करेक्ट है। Prince Raj, Ayush, listen to your what your parents say. Should listen to what your parents say. She writes.
मैम
हाँ बोलो क्या?
मैम देवयानी ये लोग मैसेज कर रही है, मैम को बोलो जोड़ने के लिए। मैम वो लोग वेटिंग रूम में इंतजार कर रही है।
अच्छा ठीक है, देख लेते हैं। वेटिंग रूम बंद कर दिया था।
मैम क्लास अभी से स्टार्ट हुआ है।
नहीं, 10 मिनट हुआ है।
मैम हम तब से वेटिंग में हैं।
अच्छा,
आप एक्सेप्ट नहीं करिए, ऐसे बहुत
यही स्टार्ट किए
मैम
हैं।
मैं भी।
मैम हम भी मैम।
तुम लोग लेट
मैं
आए थे
एक्चुअली
क्या?
जब से क्लास
ओके, आई एम सॉरी। ओके
मैम बहुत पहले
ठीक है तो
ज्वाइन कर रहे थे।
अच्छा ठीक है, तो इट्स माय फॉल्ट। ओके,
ये हमेशा होता है।
हमेशा ऐसा होता है? हमेशा तो नहीं होता।
यस मैम, मेरे साथ होता है मैम। अगर 5 मिनट लेट हो गया
नो
तो
मैम, हम लोग के साथ आज फर्स्ट टाइम ही हुआ है।
अच्छा
मैम मेरे साथ हो चुका है बहुत।
ठीक है शिखा, तो हम देख लेंगे तुम्हारा। अभी हम लोग यही प्रपोजिशन का एक्सरसाइजेस सॉल्व कर रहे थे, and tomorrow we will just do a revision of the chapter that is coming for the Sunday's test. Tomorrow again I will discuss that chapter once again, main points, character sketch, main events. कल डिस्कस करेंगे उसको, ग्रिफिन वाले चैप्टर का, जो तुम लोग का संडे टेस्ट का पोर्शन है। तो उसको कल मेन पॉइंट्स को डिस्कस करेंगे। उसका आज जो है थोड़ा ग्रामर रिवीजन करा देते हैं। Why? Because we are संडे टेस्ट में चैप्टर आ रहा है फुटप्रिंट्स विदाउट फीट, जो हम लोग साइंटिस्ट वाला चैप्टर पढ़े थे ना, द साइंटिस्ट ग्रिफिन।
यस मैम।
हाँ, so that chapter is coming for the Sunday test. So tomorrow I will revise that chapter once again. Word meanings, main questions, main points, that will be discussed once again. तो अगर अच्छे से रिवीजन करना है तो कल का मतलब रेगुलर रहो, ज्वाइन करो क्लास। और आज जो है सोचे थोड़ा ग्रामर का रिवीजन करा देते हैं, प्रेपोजिशंस वगैरह, तो वही करा रहे थे। तो जो लेट ज्वाइनर्स है वो देख लो, यही सब हुआ है। लेट ज्वाइनर्स रिकॉर्डिंग भी देख सकते हो। अगेन दिस someone is trying to disturb the class. तुम लोग अपना क्लास 10 में हो, लेकिन कोई ये नहीं है। अमन कुमार, अमन कुमार, अमन कुमार, यू आर स्क्रिबलिंग ऑन द स्क्रीन। नाम आ रहा है तुम्हारा, शो नेम्स ऑफ एनोटेटर्स में नाम आ रहा है।
मैम हम कुछ नहीं कर रहे, मैं तो माइक म्यूट है।
माइक तो तुम्हारा नाम क्यों आ जाता है? अभी हम नाम उसमें गए तो उसमें तुम्हारा नाम आ रहा है स्क्रिबलिंग करने में। शो
मैम मेरा माइक म्यूट है मैम, हम कुछ नहीं करते मैम। हमको
तो तुम्हारे नाम का तो और कोई है नहीं इसमें। माइक का रिकॉर्डिंग हो जाता है। तुम लोग स्क्रीन पे स्क्रिबल करते हो, वो नाम आता है और वो सब रिकॉर्ड होता है। हाँ, एवरीथिंग इज रिकॉर्डेड। शो नेम्स में नाम भी आ जाता है। ये मत समझो कि स्क्रिबल कर रहे हैं तो बहुत अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं, एंजॉय कर रहे हैं। जैसे ही शो नेम्स पे पॉइंट करते हैं वो नाम दिखता है स्क्रीन पे अच्छे से। हाँ तो दिखा पता नहीं। अमन कुमार, तुम्हारा ही नाम दिखा।
कौन है ये? पुलिस केस करना है इस पे।
The lion was killed by the hunter with a sword. Okay. Then father divided his property among the 4 sons. ये पहले हम लोगों ने किया, जो लेट ज्वाइन किया उनके लिए बता दे रहे हैं। He has been living in his house since 1985. Then I shall return in a month. You know the difference between since and for. Since कब use होता है, for कब use होता है, वो एक बार फिर से हम लोग रिवाइज कर लेते हैं। Prepositions में since is used for point of time. Since is used for point of time. Screen is visible to all of you? Hello? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है, तो since
Yes, ma'am.
point of time, मान लो कोई पर्टिकुलर ईयर दिया हुआ है 1995, तो क्या लिखेंगे उसमें? हम since यूज करेंगे। कोई पर्टिकुलर मंथ का नाम दिया हुआ है जैसे कि जुलाई, इसमें भी हम since यूज करेंगे, वो पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम हुआ। If the name of a particular day is given, Monday, weekdays, then also you will use since. Then if evening, any time of the day, evening, morning, any time is given, 10 a.m. ये सब में हम since यूज करेंगे। Since evening, since 10 a.m. Okay, so you understand the use of since. Since is used for a point of time. Then for is used for period of time. Period of time. For is used for period of time. जैसे यहाँ 1995 है तो हमने since यूज किया। अगर 4 years दिया है, instead of a particular year, if it is mentioned 4 years, then for 4 years. Instead of a particular month, it is mentioned 6 months. Then this is period of time for 6 months. Monday है तो हमने since use किया। अगर है 4 days, then you will use for. जैसे कि I have been absent since Monday. I have been absent for 4 days. I have been learning dancing since July. I have been learning dancing for 6 months. So you understand the difference, all of you? Hello? Can you hear me? My voice is clear है, audible है? समझ में आया?
Yes, ma'am.
कहाँ since लगाना है, कहाँ for लगाना है? Did you understand? Suppose 4 hours here, particular time is given, you are using since. अगर दिया हुआ 4 hours, then you will use for. I have been studying since evening. I have been studying for 4 hours. Many of you may be knowing it, but there may be a few who may have some doubts. So that is why I cleared your since or for का जो use है since. फिर I shall return in a month. The Ramayana is lying on the table. This is for the latecomers. We shall finish this work by 5 p.m. Send me letters on this address. Then ये यहाँ पर आए हम। She writes in with. Can send your answers in chat. Hello. So she writes dash ink. क्या होना चाहिए?
With,
with
ma'am, with.
नहीं with होगा, इन होगा। इसमें मुझे भी कंफ्यूजन था। Prepositions are very confusing. So writes in ink. Writes in ink. See, in preposition, casually we say some things, but then if you see grammatically, that is not correct. Then he did not listen. This is simple. To my advice. Okay? So, and I want all of you to write all these things in your copy. You take out some time, 10 to 15 minutes it will take. Exercises, at least you write it down. Mahesh has sent application. What will be the correct answer? Batao.
Ma'am, to
To the principal.
Two.
To the principal. Mahesh has sent the application to the principal. I am aware
Of my shortcomings.
I'm aware of my shortcomings. He divided his property.
between.
Among
Among.
themselves.
Among.
दो में क्या यूज करते हैं?
Between.
दो से ज्यादा रहता तब among. Here you have two. Between his two sons. Afraid. He is afraid of lions. Very common.
Of.
Afraid of lions. Dogs always bark
On.
At strangers.
at. Some prepositions are very confusing. So you need a lot of practice. That is why time and again I make you practice it. Dogs always bark at strangers. And also prepositions are very vast. 50 to 70 prepositions you have. So it's very vast. The river flows
Through.
Through
by.
through the bridge.
Through the bridge. Then I have a pen to write.
With.
Write with. See here
Write
the preposition is coming at the end. Usually you have prepositions with. I have a pen to write with. What is the time?
In.
In.
By your watch.
By your watch. See, again, this is a very confusing thing. बोलचाल की भाषा में हम बोल देते हैं. What is the time in your watch? But that is not correct. You have to remember. The correct answer is what is the time by your watch? What is the time by your watch? In speaking language, sometimes you say that he is angry on me. वो गलत है. Angry with. He is angry with me. So these things you have to be careful about. Food was rationed.
During.
Yes,
During.
food was rationed during the war. Mahesh is knocking.
At the door.
Knocking at.
The door.
Tomorrow we will revise that chapter Griffins. टेस्ट के लिए तुम लोग का रिवीजन हो जाएगा, कम पढ़ना पड़ेगा. So here again in CBSE you get these kind of questions where you are given the options and the fill in the blanks. So this is just a mixture. You are getting fill in the blanks from any grammar topic. पहला हमारा preposition है, दो preposition evidence भी आ गया है. So this kind of exercises you get in CBSE. So you have to just choose the correct answer. So the wizard said, "Oh, very well. Go dash to the end.
Into.
On to the
Ma'am, into.
go
Ma'am, into.
In.
go into the
In.
नहीं on होगा. Go go into the end of the, go in, go on ज़्यादा suitable लग रहा है. Go on to the
On होगा.
end of the lane and turn. You have four options: around, forward,
Around.
Ma'am, around.
Around.
around. Oh, very well. Go on to the end of the lane and turn around 3 times and look down the magic bell. And there You
found,
found, have found, find, will find. What is the
They
correct?
have found.
Ma'am, find.
Ma'am, will find, ma'am.
Find.
Will find.
you
Will,
found,
Ma'am, will find.
will find. Yes, you will find. You will find 3 pennies. Hurry. Very common.
Up.
हरी अप, ये तो हम हमेशा
Hurry up.
हरी अप, जल्दी करो. हरी अप. So Roja's
I'm third.
turn,
Okay. Okay, now we will proceed to the next one. It won't make my face change. Do you know? One day a woman went.
For me.
Went at me. नहीं, टेबल लग रहा है.
By
For.
me. By me.
For.
On me.
For.
Went by me होगा, मेरे बगल से गुजरी. Went by me means what? हाँ? Means she just passed by me. Went by me means मेरे बगल से वो गुजरी. Passed by me. So correct answer is by.
By.
I was dash a bus stop. I was
I'm at bus stop.
At what?
yes, I was at a bus stop. I was at a bus stop.
At.
She was dash another woman.
I'm with.
Or from
With.
that's looking, look,
With.
with. Yes, correct answer is with. And she was with another woman, and she
Start looking.
नहीं see the
Ma'am,
passage.
she looks.
I'm
Past tense का passage
She
है.
has looked.
Past tense है ना ये passage किसमें? Woman went. तो
She has
Ma'am,
looked.
has looked.
नहीं, has looked तो present perfect हो जाए.
Looked.
Ma'am, looked.
She looked at me. You have to follow the sequence of
Ma'am,
looked at me and said, look dash
At.
look at that, that's a terrible thing. Look at that, that's a terrible thing. Yes. Then the next exercise, too much discipline. Screen is visible to all of you. Hello. जिन लोगों ने वो फुटप्रिंट्स विदाउट फीट का चैप्टर मिस किया है, वो कल ज्वाइन कर लेना, दोबारा उसको रिवाइज करेंगे. एंड कन्वे दिस अमंग योर क्लासमेट्स आल्सो. If you have not studied that chapter, if you had not attended that class, you can join it. एक दिन में ही ब्रीफ में सब मेन पॉइंट्स बताएंगे. तो too much discipline can become inhibitive dash the point.
I'm at point.
नहीं,
I'm on. I'm on.
you read it as a whole sentence.
On the point.
आगे का भी पूरा सेंटेंस पढ़ो, तब समझ में आएगा. पूरा
For.
inhibitive dash the point that creative energy.
To the point.
To the point.
Come to.
Shikha, your answer is correct. Inhibitive to the point. Too much discipline can become inhibitive to the point that creative energy. This is a passage in the simple present tense. कोई general fact को बताया जा रहा है. This passage is in the present tense. A general fact is being discussed. Too much discipline can become inhibitive to the point that creative energy didn't, doesn't, won't, ain't.
I'm didn't.
क्या बताया कि passage present tense में है? Jigyasa, tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
Didn't, doesn't, won't, ain't.
Ma'am doesn't.
Yes, very good. Doesn't. Too much discipline can become inhibitive to the point that creative energy doesn't find any outlet. मतलब क्या, अगर आप किसी को भी बहुत ज्यादा डिसिप्लिन कर देंगे तो उसका क्रिएटिविटी खत्म हो जाता है. it cannot
Ma'am, be
It
denied.
cannot be denied.
Denied.
yes Sarika,
Ma'am,
your
it cannot be denied.
सारिका ने सही आंसर दिया. It cannot be denied. It cannot be denied that discipline is of utmost importance in for
For
Ma'am, for school.
discipline is of utmost important for school. School के लिए discipline important होता है या school में
in
school.
Ma'am, in school.
स्कूल में डिसिप्लिन इम्पोर्टेंट हो जाता. अनफॉर्चुनेटली डिसिप्लिन एनफोर्स ब्लाइंडली often
Is doing.
is doing
Ma'am, does.
does
Is
yes.
doing.
नहीं is doing नहीं does. जनरल ये एक फैक्ट को बोला गया है.
Ma'am, does.
Does, yes, does is the correct answer. Does more harm than good. 2 minutes is there, we can do one exercise. 2 minutes रह गया. A school is a place where many students dash diverse cultures, attitude.
Ma'am, for.
Huh? School is a
with
With.
yes, very good. With school is a place where many students with diverse cultures and attitude. The first thing they learn in the primary school
was
was that there are so many different kinds of people. They experience the pains and pleasures getting to know
I'm there.
getting to know their classmates, their schoolmates. They discover their own strengths
And weakness.
they discover their own strengths and weaknesses. They learn
Ma'am, the meaning of tolerance.
learn the meaning of tolerance. हाँ
मैम.
हाँ बोलो जिज्ञासा, कुछ पूछ रही हो?
मैम आपने जो पिछला टेस्ट हुआ उसका मार्क्स अभी तक आप सेंड नहीं किए हैं.
अच्छा कर देंगे आज कर देंगे. I have checked the copies but it slipped out of my mind. आज कर देते हैं.
ओके मैम.
ठीक है.
यस मैम.
कल जो है एक रिवीजन हो जाएगा अच्छे से. मेन पॉइंट्स, कैरेक्टर सब डिस्कस कर देंगे, वर्ड मीनिंग्स. तो convey it among your classmates. If they have missed, they can join the class. एक ही ये में अपना रिवीजन हो जाएगा. So bye all of you. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Hmm.